10 real phone calls ahead. Grammar and speaking practice. Look at the clues. Try to say the full sentence during the pause. Ready? Let's begin.
Problem with food delivery.
Bruin Bliss, Jill speaking. How can I help you today?
I have a problem with my delivery. It's late.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you please provide me with your order number?
My order number is 69873.
Thank you. Let me check your order. It looks like your delivery was delayed due to heavy traffic. I apologize for the inconvenience. Would you like me to offer a replacement or issue a refund?
Please cancel the order and issue a refund.
All right, I've processed your refund. It should be reflected in your account within 3 to 5 business days. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Booking a doctor's appointment.
City Clinic, Anna speaking. How can I assist you today?
I'd like to schedule an appointment with Dr. Smith.
Sure, I can help with that. When would you prefer to come in?
I'm available on Monday afternoon.
Great. Dr. Smith has an opening at 2:30 p.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, 2:30 p.m. works for me.
Perfect. I've scheduled your appointment. You'll receive a reminder call the day before. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's everything. Thank you.
Internet not working.
TechWave support, this is Mark. How can I assist you today?
My internet has been down for hours.
I'm sorry about that. Let's get this fixed for you. Can you tell me if you've tried restarting your router?
Yes, I already restarted the router.
Okay, let me check the connection on my end. It seems like there's a service outage in your area. It should be resolved within the next 2 to 3 hours.
Can I get an update when the service is restored?
Absolutely, we'll send you a text message once the service is back online. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Hotel reservation cancellation.
Hello, this is the Grandview Hotel. How can I assist you?
I need to cancel my reservation. I'm supposed to check in tomorrow.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can I have your reservation number, please?
My reservation number is 98765.
Thank you. I see that your reservation is for a 2-night stay. We can cancel it, but please note there's a cancellation fee of $50 since you're canceling less than 48 hours before your check-in.
That's fine, I understand.
Thank you for your understanding. Your reservation has been successfully canceled. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's everything. Thanks.
Return a product.
Hello, thank you for calling Green World Products. How can I help you today?
I want to return a product I bought online.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you provide me with the order number?
It's 57968.
Thank you. I see that you purchased a blender. What seems to be the issue with the product?
It's broken and doesn't work.
I apologize for the inconvenience. We can offer you a replacement or a refund. Which option would you prefer?
I'd like a refund.
All right, I've processed your refund. It should show up in your account within 5 to 7 business days. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Booking a taxi.
Hello, this is City Caps. How can I help you today?
I need a taxi to the airport.
Certainly. When would you like to leave?
I need a taxi in 30 minutes.
Got it. Would you prefer a regular taxi or a larger vehicle?
I need a larger vehicle.
Perfect. I've scheduled a larger vehicle for you. The driver will arrive at your location in about 30 minutes. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you very much.
Making a complaint at a restaurant.
Good evening, this is Bella's Bistro. How can I help you?
I have a complaint about my meal.
I'm very sorry to hear that. Could you please tell me what the issue was?
My steak was overcooked and cold.
I sincerely apologize for that. I can offer you a replacement or a refund. Which would you prefer?
I'd like a replacement, please.
Of course. We'll prepare a new steak for you right away. I hope this one will be to your satisfaction.
Thank you for your understanding.
Changing a flight reservation.
Hello, this is Sky Air customer service. How can I help you today?
I need to change my flight reservation.
I'd be happy to assist you. Could you please provide your reservation number?
My reservation number is 67890.
Thank you. Where and when would you like to change your flight to?
I'd like to fly on Thursday.
Let me check the availability for Thursday. It looks like we have several flights available, but there's a $50 fare difference. Would you like to go ahead with the change?
Yes, I'm fine with the extra fee.
Great. I've updated your reservation. Your new flight is now scheduled for Thursday, and I've sent the updated ticket to your email.
Thank you for your help.
Returning a faulty item to a store.
Hello, this is Best Buy. How can I assist you today?
I need to return a faulty item.
I'm sorry to hear that. Could you tell me what the item is and what the issue is?
I bought a blender and it stopped working.
Thank you for letting us know. Do you still have the receipt?
Yes, I have the receipt.
Great. You can return the blender at any of our stores, or we can send you a prepaid shipping label to return it by mail. Which option would you prefer?
I'd like to return it in store.
Perfect. Please bring the item along with your receipt to your nearest Best Buy location, and we'll take care of the return for you.
Thank you for your help.
Asking about product availability.
Hello, this is Home Goods. How can I help you?
I'm looking for a new coffee machine.
I can definitely help with that. Do you have a specific model or brand in mind?
I'm looking for a Breville coffee machine.
We have several models in stock. Would you prefer a standard machine or an espresso machine?
I prefer an espresso machine.
We have the Breville Barista Express in stock. Would you like me to reserve one for you?
Yes, please reserve one for me.
I've set one aside for you. You can pick it up at your convenience, or we can arrange for delivery.
I'll pick it up tomorrow.
Great job! The more you practice, the more confident you'll sound. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.